In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner for multiple projects. In order to do that, first head over to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once you're in there, proceed to click on the Sign In option. Now, do take note that you can only access your Microsoft Planner if you have a team or organization account. You can't actually access it on the personal account because it doesn't allow it to. So proceed to click on the Sign In right here. Now here is my actual Microsoft Planner. So in order to use it for your multiple projects, you can proceed to click on the This My Plans option that we can find right here. Once you're in there, you can see this. So as you can see, I have multiple projects already. So we have 4 right here. If you want to do so as well, you can just create a new plan depending on the project that you have. So let's click on this new plan. You can find it right here. For this case, just choose the kind of plan that you wish to use. So on my case, let's choose in here either simple plan, project management, and Lex. So the best thing to do is just click on this project management option right here. You can see what it looks like. It includes this board. You can see the benefits. Click on this use template right here. Name it right there. So for example, let's input right here Manhattan project. Click on this create option that we can find in this case. This will create your plan, so wait for it right here. You can find now our actual plan and you can proceed to edit it according to your liking. Now do take note that you can access or you can create as many plans as you want and access or use it for multiple projects. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.